with the engine out, we trailered the car up to 360 wraps in Corona. They had the car for a month, maybe 2. Sam and I took quite a few trips up there to check on the car. So we're up here at 360 wraps. The Hellcat is getting wrapped with the new Inozetek film. It's pretty cool looking. It's gonna turn out amazing. Super excited to see the final product.
Awesome. Looks pretty interesting right now.
Yeah.
Kind of changes in the light.
Yeah.
Test fit.
Once it was finally ready, or almost all the way ready, we went and picked up the car on the trailer, brought it back to Speed Society.
Getting the trailer out. Time to go pick this thing up. So we're gonna go see this Charger fully wrapped for the first time. You excited?
Yeah, let's go.
Go see what it looks like. Gonna pick it up, bring it back to HQ. You guys excited to see the Charger all wrapped?
I've been excited.
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Yeah, I'm ready too.
Oh, I'm super excited.
Yeah.
Canes right now, though.
All right. They don't even know.
Don't get hit by a nuke on the way.
Yeah, we'll watch out. All right, so they're loading up the trailer right now. We're gonna go get this Charger. Thanks to 360 Wraps for getting it wrapped for us, and a whole lot of big surprises coming your way. Stay tuned.
The transparency of what Beyond the Build is and showing you guys what goes into this, it's a lot more. It's a full engine build. It's the full wrap process. The wrap material alone from Inozetek, I think, is like 6 or 7 grand, and then an install for it's 6 or 7 grand.
What up?
What's up, dude? How are you?
Good. Thing looks good.
Here she is.
Hell yeah.
Right on.
In some of her glory. Not all of it.
It's coming to life, though.
Yeah,
The color
yeah.
looks a lot better when it's most of the car versus...
For sure. For sure. We were super skeptical until it was like this.
Yeah.
What if you did the satin on the body kit, you know, on the flares?
That's cool.
But we'll definitely do something in here to pronounce like this a little more. So this we'll do this in satin, maybe this piece in the military green, and then this in satin. Probably break up some of that.
That's right.
But cool, yeah.
What software is that?
This is Xeno 3D render. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah, so those are the wheels.
Oh, dude.
And then that's the blower.
All right.
It's gonna be nasty.
I don't know if you guys ever given anything away that isn't nasty.
True. So this is a whole nother
Probably
level.
the highest horsepower car we've given away.
Really?
It should be about 1,200 wheel.
Oh wow, 2-wheel.
Yeah.
Probably more than the
And then
Grand
it's probably
Demon.
gonna be turned down a little bit.
Damn. Well, if it's anything like that CTSV you gave me to ride in, I probably won't get in it then.
Oh, this one's gonna be slow. What are you talking about?
Damn, what? And then this thing like a scissor lift trailer?
It's just got airbags, so
Yeah,
just
you
fuck.
see it.
I think it's pretty dope.
Hold on, I'm gonna need you to pop this up. I need. Oh yeah. Only in Speed Society do you have your trailer back.
All right, we got the Charger. All loaded up. Time to head back to the shop. Start the build.
So we'll be there at 5:05.
5:05, let's go. Thanks, 360 Wraps.
Once it was finally ready, or almost all the way ready, we went and picked up the car on the trailer, brought it back to Speed Society, got it on the rack, and ready for the engine to show up. So we did a couple like button-up things on the car while we were waiting for the engine. The engine showed up back from LME.
What? It's a big box.
It is a big box.
What up?
What's up, Mr. Sam?
What's going on? Whoa. Hey. Have a Hemi? Thing got a Hemi in it?
We got a Hemi.
Hey! That thing got a Hemi? Yeah. Sweet.
They're so good. LME is like, it's like the Louis Vuitton, man. It really is, the way they do things. So clean, everything is just perfect. I can't even wait to fire this thing up. Right here, 1200 to the wheel, good for, rods are good for 2000, crank's good for 1600. We're gonna run her right at 12.
Yeah, we might need a handle. The entire engine was built pretty much from scratch with all of the top of the line parts to make sure it can sustain that power. So just the fact that we literally touched everything on this car, I think really makes it a step above. All right, guys, welcome back to Season 10 and Beyond the build. As you guys saw, the car already got wrapped. The engine showed up yesterday from LME. We already buttoned up the engine, put the harness back on it, got the accessory drive back on it, and we just stabbed it back in the car. So in the meantime, while we're waiting for Brenton to come out on Monday, we're gonna start buttoning up the car, get the trans back in, pretty much get the car almost ready to run for when he gets here. And then it's time for some real fun.